यथा वज्र गोपिका नाम. How gopis are doing, this is the only bhakti. And now we are starting the book, Narad Bhakti Sutra. Tallakshani vachante nana mat bhedat. There are so many ways to express your bhakti. First, second sutra it's saying, Puja Disvat Anurag iti para sarya. There is a great bhakti master. He's saying, and bhakti master name is Parashar. Parashar is master of astrology too. He read the astrology and he was a great master of bhakti. And he said, rituals are needed. Puja is needed. Puja means what? You are putting something, sitting at that place, rituals. And we have to understand the difference between law and rituals. Now everybody want to be, no law in the life. No, you need a law. But that law you should make for your growth. No other person should make what law should be. When other person is saying to you what you should do, then it's a law, government, constitution. But when you sit and you think and you are making law for yourself for growth, and that is called ritual. When you are thinking, what should I do every day? And that Parashar is saying, ritual is needed. Because our life is so chaos. Our mind is so chaos. So we need some law to do every morning, do afternoon something. Parashar is saying, that is important. You need some rituals. What morning should be, how afternoon should be, how satsang should be. It's a structure. It's a ritual. We come here and we invite all awakened ones. Then we talk. This is a conscious ritual choose by us. And he's saying, Parashar is saying, that is needed. Parashar is saying this, that ritual is needed. Katha Vishwati Karga. And other master is saying, no, just talk his story. Because human system is so connected to story. If I say, let me tell you one story, and you all are so alert. Yes, tell me. Human system is so eager to listen a story. So eager. So he's saying, no, this ritual you will do, but after some time you will forget. You will forget that you are doing ritual and it will be robotic. So this will not work. So one step more came. So no, story, because story is always interested for human system. And then other master says, Atmaratya Virodhe Neti Shandilya. And great bhakti master Shandil says, no, maybe you will enjoy story a lot of story. And you forgot to really work on you. So what he's saying, you need to work on your unconscious mind, which is stopping you to be in bhakti. Work on your unconscious mind. Third master, Sandil is saying. And then Narad is saying, my sutra is, what is my opinion is, just doing all activity as a bhakti. Narad is saying that let's do all activity as a bhakti. We don't make a separate time for anything for that. Whatever we are doing as a bhakti. And then he's saying, they are different path. Narad is saying in this book that Narad is saying this, but Narad is wrong too. What a beautiful book. Narad is saying, according to Narad, you should do devotion like this, but they all are path. But what actually bhakti is, saying, Yatha Vajra Gopikanam. This sutra is so beautiful. Yatha Vajra Gopikanam. how gopis are doing, this is the only bhakti. When you fell in love with a girl and you are with your friends, or you are a female and you fell in love with a man, and you are in your home and relatives, you cannot tell to them that what is going on in you in love, but you are jumping with love, but you cannot tell it. That gopis cannot tell to her husband that how much I love Krishna, because they'll be beaten. Man ego. So they have to hide it. But when gopis are together, then they can talk. But gopis cannot talk at home. Same way, lover can talk, but if you are in society and going, they don't talk about it. You can't talk about it. You cannot tell your love story to everyone. Then you are searching to who I can tell. That's how this Anatta Satsang is going on. We are searching to who we can talk about it. Who are gopis? Where are you? Somebody write in our marketing strategy, why you are doing marketing? I say, I am searching my people with who we can share this story. The gopi is searching gopis where we can talk. A master is not searching a student, but a gopi is searching gopis. Let's together and have fun and talk about him. It's so amazing. When you are in love, how amazing to talk about your boyfriend and girlfriend. How amazing. Like first time when engagement happened and you are so happy and you just want to talk about him all time. That is Vajra Gopika. Now, another thing, these are all rituals and these are mind process to how to remember. But actually, when the bhakti happened, then you became like gopi. It is the peak. You don't want to do ritual. Actually, you want to stop it. You can't sleep. When you fell in love first time, I don't know, you all have the experience, I know. That's why without falling in love and pain in love, you cannot be here in satsang. It's not possible. You are in satsang, so you all have this experience. That's why you are here. When you fell in love the first night, can you sleep? It's so hard to sleep. So you want to forget it. So bhakti is when you want to forget God. You don't want to remember God because you are too much remembering. That is bhakti. Bhakti is not that you have to do some ritual. Yes, you need some ritual to sleep, to forget him for a few hours so I can sleep. That is bhakti. Bhakti means you want to listen some other story. For a few times, you cannot do bhakti because you have to do some other work too. Because you have to go outside and make your face that, okay, I am not in love with God. In Bangalore city. And you have to be in office. So you cannot be in bhakti. That's why people come in our retreat and trying to fix them that I am not that much joyful person. I am a serious guy too. They are trying to fix it. That day one is bhakti. When you are pagal inside for truth, when your heart is jumping, but in society is so stupid, you became brainwashed that in this advanced world, you are talking about God, how stupid you are. According to employee, they will tell you how you should be. A boss who has no knowledge of life, just one thing he has is money and job for you. He will tell you how you should be in the life. And then a bhakt who has heart but not money. And he has to fix according to them. So he's saying, bhakti is not who do rituals. Bhakti is not who is remembering God in activity. Bhakti is that who is avoiding God, who want to forget God. तुम्हें भूलने के चक्कर में तुम्हें कितनी बार याद करता हूं. तुम्हें भूलने के चक्कर में मैं तुम्हें कितनी बार याद करता हूं. how many times I remember for forget you. That is bhakti.